guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. I am super excited about this one. Before I tell you what this video is about, I want to touch bases on my makeup. My eyeshadow palette that I used today, I actually got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. It came super late in the month of July, the last day of the month. So I will film the unboxing. I will film it and show you what all I got and talk you through some of the products. But yeah, it came super late, which is why the video is going to be super late. But I love the products that I was able to use. I have a few of them on my face, like the eyeshadow palette, the eyeliner, the blush. So yeah, products that I absolutely love and I will be sharing with you. My eye makeup is really pretty on this side. On this side, it's doing the absolute most. My eye started watering and it does that sometimes, and this eye is really messed up. So I had to wear me some hair that was going to cover it up. So I'm grateful to this little swoop over here to keep me looking halfway decent for this video. But the video that we have today is one that is a little bit different. It's like all the others that I do, and it's a wig unboxing. However, it's just an unboxing, and it's a type of unit that I've not done before, so I'm really excited about that. And then also, it's a brand that I've seen floating around on YouTube, but I've never had the opportunity to purchase anything or do anything with, and so I was super excited when they reached out to me to send me a unit, and I was absolutely excited to say yes. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and bring you a wig unboxing today from Arabella. I am so excited. So I do want to take this time to thank Arabella for sending us our unit that we are unboxing today. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. This is unlike anything I've ever done before. So here is the packaging, and I'm going to pull it back because I don't want to wash it out. Let me, Can you see it? There it is. Beautiful packaging. Arabella, bloom your beauty. I love it. I love it. So just this really cute pink box here. Ooh, and you get goodies. So this is the box, and this was on top of the box. On the very top, and it just has their logo on it as well. It says Arabella on it, and then it says bloom your beauty, and then I don't know what it says all on the bag, but I don't know what it says all over here, but it says something, words. But y'all, purple is my favorite color, so I think that's really cute. What's in here though? Ooh, okay, I'm already hooked, because if you give me an edge brush, you're my best friend. I have one of these already, but I feel like you can never have too many, especially if you're using a product like Gots to Be Glue. It gets stuck in there and then it gets real hard and crunchy. You can never have too many of these. And it has a little comb on the end, which I love for my baby hairs. Baby, my edges. That's a score. And then, okay, this is a little bracelet, it looks like. I probably will never use this, but little pearl bracelet. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, little pearl bracelet with rhinestones on it. Very elegant, actually. This is really pretty. Let me see. That's pretty. That's pretty. Okay, go ahead then. Giving you extra gifts and stuff. So there's that. What else is here? It's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm going to be pulling out for a little bit. Ooh, okay, a set of tweezers. I imagine these are for maybe plucking the hairline some more if you're wanting to. They're not the best quality of tweezers. They're very thin and kind of flimsy. But the fact that they give them to you, though, is really nice. I appreciate that. Then you have a hair clip. Also purple, my favorite color. So you can... I think these are tools for helping you with customizing the wig, which I think is really cool. I love that. What else is in here? Oh, okay. Child, listen. A headband. One of those cute little, like, spiral headbands. Let me see. Child, listen. Real cute. Real cute. I have on jeans right now, so this actually does match my outfit a little bit. It's cute. I want the flowers to show. Okay. She cute. I like that. Okay, we're going to keep that on. And then finally, some wig caps. And these are the light color, which is typically the color that I buy. I don't know if it's getting washed out because my lights are on super high. This is typically the color I buy for my scalp. So I love that. So you get the little pouch. And then the inside of this is like a plastic, so it'll be easy to wash out, clean out. I like that because if you're going out of town or traveling or something, you could just throw your little wig kit in here, your little edge control, and you're good to go. I love that, actually. I think that that's really cool. So I always love getting free stuff like that. Now, when I get the little cheapy lashes, they can keep those when they're not good quality. I don't like that. They didn't send me lashes. They sent stuff you will actually use and need. So I love that. But let's get into this unit because I'm excited. Okay, something else is in here. Hold on. Just a little card telling you about Arabella and where you can follow them. They're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. And then it's telling you how to basically care for your hair. Avoid high temperature hair wig washing techniques and rules. Curly hair wig combing, long human hair wig combing. So just giving you all the the details on how to care for your unit. Now the unit. Oh my gosh. You guys. This unit is 22 inches. This is a virgin human hair 180 density curly wig. Y'all, I had to. I saw her and I was like, I have to. And I also looked this up on YouTube and I hadn't seen anybody with this type of unit or that reviewed it. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to. Do y'all see the texture of this? This is I think this is the Kinky curly or something. But oh my gosh, do y'all see that? I am so excited to play with this unit. This is a full lace wig. Okay, full lace, meaning like you could part it down the middle and all of that. So I love that. You can see the lace around the perimeter. It is very light. It's not scratchy or hard or anything like that. So I really appreciate that. It is a pre-plucked hairline. If you can see that. Looks very, very good. I'm very impressed. Look at that. Look at that. I'm super impressed. I cannot wait to play with this unit. So here is the construction of the cap. You've got, how many combs are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. So you've got one on each side. You've got one at the nape, and then you also have one at the top. What is this called? The crown of your head. So you very secure if you're a person who uses combs. I used to be someone who hated a wig if it didn't have combs. Now I don't use them at all. But it's good that they're there if you're somebody who does use them. Also, it has the adjustable straps in the back as well. So you can make adjustments there if you need to. I have a big head. So most of the time, but I like a unit to fit snug on my head. So most of the time, if it's a standard cap, I can get into it and be comfortable, but sometimes the cap is too small. Like my last wig video, I'll link it up here if you haven't checked it out. The cap was just a little too small and it didn't feel secure on my head. So I'm really anxious to try this one, and I think she is gorgeous. If you are excited to see me try this and you're interested to see a review on this hair and how I customize her. Now, you guys know I'm not one who does a whole lot of customization. I'm trying to get into that because I do enjoy my wigs. I do want to get the most wear out of them, and I do want them to look really good. So I'm trying to get more into the customization of them. And so, yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing more of that on the channel. I hope you guys will appreciate it. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if that's something that you're interested in. But I'm excited about this one because I think she's pretty. And I just am excited to see what I can do with it. I love this unit because this is one of those types that will grow and get bigger and bigger the more you wear it. And I want big hair. Like, I want big hair. I've experienced so much hair loss here lately. And it's really been getting me down. So I'm excited to try this because I think that this will give me the look that I'm missing from my own hair. But y'all, isn't she lovely? I would try her on, but my hair looks a mess up under here. And my eye makeup, y'all gonna see my eye looking crazy. Oh, who cares? Let me see. Let me try it on. Ooh. As you guys can see, I have my wig grip on. The love is real for my wig grips. I do not wear wigs without them at all. I need, like I said, I need my wigs to feel secure on my head. So, anywho, let me just see what she looks like. This is just me trying her on, you guys. I'm not doing any customization or anything, but I just want to see how she looks. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, why am I so excited? Oh, I'm so corny. Okay. I'm trying to be careful so that I don't rip the lace on my big head. Oh my gosh. Okay. She's not on, but I can get the idea. Like, this is a full 360 lace wig. Like, legit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Why is this so pretty? I'm pulling it down over my ears so I can get a good idea of how she's gonna look. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Is it hitting or not? Oh my gosh, this part, this hairline. Look at that. You could definitely do some more plucking there to kind of thin it out to make it look a little more natural. But this part here, oh my gosh. Y'all. Is she pretty? Okay, I cannot wait to play with this wig. Can you see the lace? Can you see the lace right here? Yeah, you can see it. I'm so excited to play with her. I love this texture. Like I said, it's the Kinky texture. Of course, you know, I'll have all the specs on it so you can see it, and I'll have them linked below. But, oh my gosh. Can you see that? Look at that. Oh. So pretty. So pretty. Just that really natural texture. Oh my gosh. And like I said, it is a full lace wig, so I could like pull it up if I want to. I could part it and wear pigtails if I wanted to. This is the kind of wig that you don't want to like comb with like you want to just finger comb it. I'll probably trim it up because the ends are kind of like, you know, scraggly a little bit, probably because of how they have to process the hair to make it, give it this texture. But oh my gosh, so pretty. I can't wait till it's like, honey. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you are interested in seeing me customize and personalize and slay this wig, make sure you stay tuned because it's definitely on the way. I am so excited and so anxious. I'm actually going to try I picked up some of that Sally Hansen tanning spray. Last time, y'all, I did this concoction with foundation and alcohol. Here it is right here. And though this worked on my last wig, there were some cons to it. This sprayer is not ideal. I need a pump spray like this. Like, I need a spray like this because it concentrates the spray more, I feel like. This went everywhere, so I had to spray on all my stuff. I had foundation all over my stuff, and then it also got on my hair. And so it kind of gave it this gross feeling, and it tinted the color, like it colored it a little bit. So I am going to try the Sally Hansen tanning leg spray on this one to see how I like that better, see if that works better for me. Because I really don't want to do the like bleaching of the knots and stuff, because I'm just not that advanced, you guys. I'm not there. So I don't want to ruin my wigs by trying something that I'm just not good at yet. But I'm going to try that method on here. So if you're interested to see that, stay tuned, because it's definitely coming, because I am excited about this unit. It feels so good. It feels so good. She looks beautiful. Like, look at that. You could color this. It's 100% human. It's 100% virgin hair. This is a natural black. You could do so much with this. Oh my gosh. I'm so impressed with this. Of course, everything will be linked down below on this unit, like I said, as well as a discount code. Guys, she's fabulous. She's gone with the wind. Fabulous. I would probably want some color with this. I could see this in red, and oh my goodness, baby, red would just be the bee's knees. Bee's knees. I could probably like make that a side part. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. What's giving you all the 1980s vibes? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? She's everything. She's everything. I'm obsessed. Is it just me? I'm obsessed. Oh my god. I can't wait till my real hair gets like this long. Like, oh, this is the goal. This is goals. Look at that. They did that. Definitely did that. Okay, guys, I'm not going to hold you any longer, but this is this is her. Yes. And like I said, stay tuned for this video, the customization of this unit. I cannot wait. I am so excited. She's gorgeous. Ooh. Ooh, she's gorgeous. Y'all, I love blonde hair and I love playing in color, but sometimes there is nothing like just having dark hair. I think it is so seductive and so attractive sometimes. Like, ooh, though I think this wig would be fire in red, it is so beautiful. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you're washing your hands, social distancing, loving on each other, caring for each other, and all that good jazz, because we need it. And you guys continue to take care of yourselves and your families. Keep me lifted in your prayers. I'll continue to keep you lifted in mine. Yeah, guys, kiss your family, kiss your friends, tell them you love them often, because you can be here today. I say here today, gone tomorrow, but the truth is, like my husband says, he always corrects me, you could be here today, gone today, and you never know when your time is up. So you make sure that you're loving on people. You never know what they're going through and the things that they're dealing with in their lives and how they are going to handle those things. So give people grace, be sensitive with people, because you just never know. You never know. I don't mean to go on a tangent, but I'm really, it's personal right now. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Again, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for this unit, this customization. I love you guys. Bye.